Hi, welcome back to the Boomer's Tech Show. Have you ever wondered how you can use dark mode on your phone? Dark mode allows you to save more battery power, so I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So what you want to do is you want to take your two fingers and drag from the top of the screen. Now you're going to want to find a dark mode, and then you're going to want to tap it. Now your screen has changed from a bright mode to a dark mode. If you want to turn the intensity down, you simply take your finger and drag it to the left. The more you go to the left, the darker it gets. Now your phone is on the dark mode and it will save more battery power. If you found value in this quick tutorial showing you how to use the dark mode, give us a like. Hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, share, and comment. I'm Bertrand. Thanks for watching the Boomer's Tech Show.